The aquarium is located on the seaside, right in front of the imposing casino of Constanța. Festively opened in 1958, the aquarium was for a long time the first and only public institution of its kind in the country. It is dedicated to the permanent exhibition of aquatic fauna and flora, as well as temporary exhibitions on various topics related to biology, aquatic ecology, and marine fishing. The fascinating Natural Sciences Museum complex of Constanța includes the aquarium, delphinarium, planetarium, and astronomic observatory. The planetarium allows visitors to take part in a journey into the sky, the stars, planets, meteors, galaxies, and other celestial objects. The astronomic observatory hosts a telescope with a Cassegrain mirror.